Hello everyone, today I am going to explain and analyze part 2 Scandinavian opening raps chess tricks to win past. This is chapter 1. I am going to explain and analyze in chapter 1 3 different tricks. Okay, we can go now first tricks chapter 1 part 3 Scandinavian defense. Okay, first move e4. This called king's pawn came d5. Scandinavian defense. Okay, another move e cross d5, cut the pawn, then queen cut the pawn, then knight go to c3 and attack the queen. That's why queen go back to a5, a5. Okay, another move is d4, knight f6. Okay, develop the piece as black. Another move is bishop go to c4. Okay, another move is c6, queen e2, queen come outside right now. Then bishop go to a5. Okay, now we can see right now. Another white move is bishop go to d2. Okay, then knight b d7. This is the big blunder. Okay, you can see right now. Another move, knight b5, queen b6. Okay, then knight d6 and beautiful check. The pawn doesn't cut the knight because there is the pin with the white queen. You can see right now this queen is pinned here. That's why this pawn not cut the knight. Okay, then king go to d8. Another move is knight cross f7 and beautiful check. Now rook is gone, king go to e8, knight d6 and beautiful check. Then king go to d8. After that, knight cross f5. Now the bishop is go. Totally this game, white easily won this game. Okay, we can go now Rick 2, chapter 1. Okay, now I am going to explain and analyze chapter 1, Rick 2. How to checkmate in 9 moves in Scandinavian defense. Okay, first move e4, d5, e cross d5, queen cross d5. We saw already. Knight c3, queen a5, d4, knight f6, bishop c4, c6. Okay, now you can see right now. Another move, white queen go to e2. Attack the pawn e7, bishop f5, then bishop d2, knight b d2, d7, sorry, knight b d7, this is a big blunder, then knight b5, okay, you can see right now. Another move is here. 8th move is queen go to d8, then knight d6 and beautiful checkmate. Okay, this is trick number 2. If I go trick number 3, okay, this is chapter 1, trick number 3. So let's start with e4 opening, e4, d5, Scandinavian defense. This move is called Scandinavian defense. Then e cross d5, queen cross d5, knight c3, queen f5, d4, knight f6, bishop c4, then c6, queen e2, bishop f5, then bishop d2, knight b d7, then knight b5. Now the pawn got the knight. What happening? You can see right now. Pawn got the knight and bishop cross f7 and beautiful check. Okay, then king cross f7. After that, the queen is gone. Bishop cross a5. That's it. This is trick number 3. Now go back now. Now queen cross b5, bishop cross b5, c cross b5, queen cross b5. That's it. Totally this game, the Scandinavian defense opening game is totally white win perfectly. Okay, that's it. This is chapter 1. 3 risks I explain everything. We can go now chapter 2, part 2, Scandinavian depend just risks to win past. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, now I am going to explain and analyze chapter 2, part 2, Scandinavian opening wraps just risks to win pass, wrap the queen. How to wrap the queen? This game. Okay, first move e4, e5, Scandinavian defense. Now e cross d5, Scandinavian defense, knight f6, d4. Scandinavian defense modern variation. Okay, another move, knight cross d5, then c4, knight b4, then queen a4 and we will check. Okay, now rook 8 c6, black the check, then a3 pawn, push the pawn. Okay, then another move is knight a6, then d5. This is the mistake move because now knight is c5. Okay, then queen go to b5. Another move is e5. The pawn go to e5. After that, d cross c6, cut the knight. Then b6, save the knight now. Then bishop e2. This is big blunder. So another move is a6. 10th move is a6. Now queen cross c5 because queen is wrapped right now. That's why queen got the knight and bishop cross c6, c5 and wrap the queen. Then knight c3, then queen h4. Okay, this is how to wrap the queen in Scandinavian opening wraps. Okay, this is chapter 2. That's it. We can go now chapter 3, Scandinavian defense. Okay, this is chapter 3. How to checkmate in 13 moves in Scandinavian defense. Okay, first move e4, king's pawn came, d5, Scandinavian defense, e cross d5, Scandinavian defense, knight f6, Scandinavian defense modern variation, knight f3, Scandinavian defense modern variation, bishop g5 4 and bishop g4, then bishop go to b5 and we will check. Knight b d7, h3, bishop h5, black bishop go back, then c4, save the bishop with pawn, then e6, now attack the pawn with e6 pawn. Okay, g4, now attack the bishop with white pawn, then bishop g6, then queen go to e2. Okay, next move is a6, d cross e6, a cross b5. This is the big blunder, another blunder. So we can see right now e cross f7. Now check, then king cross f7 and we will check. After that you can see knight g5 and we will check. Okay, knight g5 and we will check and queen go to g8. Then queen e6 and we will check. Okay, now only way bishop black the check, then queen easily checkmate with knight and queen checkmate with support knight. Okay, another move, queen cross f7 and we will checkmate. That's it, this game is over today. Okay, this is chapter 3. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, that's it.